Good morning, everybody. It's Mr. Adam.
And Mr. Whale.
Mr. Whale is a little sad. We had something go wrong, and we need to restore with others, so we're going to talk about how to do that today.
I'm grumpy.
I know. Do you want to share with everybody why you're grumpy, Mr. Whale?
My Legos broke.
I know. I'm so sorry. Your Legos did break. We were building together. We were building Legos, and then his creation, I accidentally bumped it, and so I broke it. Uh-oh.
Now I'm grumpy.
Restoring with others is a way to help it so we can reconnect and not feel so grumpy anymore. Do you want to try? The first step in restoring with others is to be able to talk about what happened. Mr. Whale, I'm so sorry. I bumped your creation.
Yes, I'm mad.
I know. And when we're mad, I'm so glad you noticed how you're feeling, because it says you noticed you are feeling grumpy because the Legos got broken, and it's my fault. Can I restore with you?
Well, you can try.
One of the ways we can restore with others is first I could say, I'm sorry.
Okay.
Another way you could do it is if I could help you rebuild it or help clean up what I messed up.
Okay.
Or we could do something different if that would help you. Would that be okay to try?
I think I'm ready to help you make it again.
Oh, that's great. I can try to help and make it again. That would be super. All right, Mr. Whale, let's work on rebuilding your Lego creation just the way you like it. Is that okay?
That would make me feel better.
You know what? It does. When we restore with others, we can feel better, and it can also help us reconnect again.
I know you didn't do it on purpose.
I really didn't. I'm super sorry. I would love to help. Is that okay if we do that now?
Kids, if you need help and you are angry, you can always try to restore with others.
And it helps when we talk about what happened, what you were feeling, and then how you can help fix it or make it right or clean it up. Those are a great place to start. Or we can always do something different too. If you even need a calming walk, we could do that too.
Nope, I just want to fix my Legos right now.
All right. Hey kids, thanks for watching How to Restore with Others. And thanks, Mr. Whale, for being so kind.
I'm not so grumpy.
I'm proud of you. I'm not feeling grumpy either. Have a great day.
Bye.